Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Pilot LX. It's a certified Pilot. It's got 35,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's taffeta white in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down to the driver's side. Everything's in good shape. Alright, it is equipped with a roof rack. But the driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Alright, it does have the rear backup camera, dual exhaust on it. It is a four-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this Pilot, and it is a certified Pilot. It's going to give you some extra coverage, things like that, but it's a great vehicle, very dependable. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray two-tone door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, it does have gray cloth seating. Alright, driver's side looks good. It does have your keyless entry key fob. And the passenger seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, no problems there. It does have your power outlet, auxiliary outlet, and USB ports right here in the center console. Alright, and then you just simply slide this up. Gives you access to some storage area there and the cup holders. Alright, there's your four-wheel drive lock right there. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area there. It's dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD player. Alright, and the backup camera display will be right there. And it also is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 35,124 miles on it. Let's go ahead and show your display screen over here. Alright, there's your radio. Go ahead and put it in reverse and engage the backup camera. Okay, then you got your dual climate controls. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat cloth, it's in really good shape. Don't see any issues with the second row seating. Alright, it's got the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. It does have rear heat and rear air. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, and this certified Pilot is third row seat. And the third row cloth is also in really good shape. It doesn't even look like anybody sat back here. All right. Well taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look back here in the back. All right, carpet back here is clean. Got your little storage area here. Convenient power outlet there. It does have more storage down below here. Okay, and these third row seats do fold down. Simply push that lever down. You can push the seat down with no problem. I'm doing all this with one hand, so it's really easy to do, but when you lay those seats down, you can really see how it opens it up back here. Ton of storage room. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. Alright. Let's see, it's got the 17-inch styled steel wheels, okay, but it's got the nice chrome hubcaps on top. Alright, chrome hubcaps, Goodyear tires, brand new set. Alright. Once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda Pilot LX, 35,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.